This video tutorial I will explain stream method of arrays class which accept any type of object array. Here I have defined the class arrays demo. Here I have defined integer array. Then I am calling stream method of arrays class and passing integer array. This method returns stream and this stream contains these elements. Here you can see the output. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.